Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wisdom Waves, where we don't try to become perfect parents, we try to become conscious ones. So, today is not just a conversation with a celebrity, today is about understanding the women behind the spotlight and the mother behind the success. So, our guest today has many lives: an actor, RJ at Radio Mirchi, influencer, brand face for a lot of global names like Apple, Tanishq, and more importantly, a mother of two who believes in living every day as if there is no tomorrow. So we certainly welcome Nandita Daga. Thank you so much, Nandita, for coming here. It certainly means a lot.
Pleasure.
So, Nandita, just before we jump into who are you and everything, I want to know before the world knew who is Nandita Daga, who were you actually?
I was. I'm still a very simple girl, like I was before. I no matter आप कहीं पर भी रहो जिंदगी में, this was taught to me by my दादाजी कि you celebrate you, not tolerate you. That's more important. So I as a very simple and a bubbly girl, and I am still the same, and I hope that I remain the same. And I've done my schooling from I've done my colleges, my schooling at some Modi, and even in school also I was very active in sports and all. For me, extra was more important. I was very weak in maths, but I was very chemistry and other geography and English and all. So my parents always supported me that even if you're not good in studies, don't push. You know, पढ़ना पड़ेगा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Rather, आप जो stream में अच्छे हो, आप उसको आगे बढ़ाओ. This is something which I do. I was always a simple and a bubbly girl before the world knew who Nandita Daga was.
Oh, that is so lovely. That's so amazing. I love the part that do what you love. I mean, certainly, I think your parents taught you exactly right that it's important that you hone the skills which you're good at rather than crying and cribbing of things which you're not good at. So that is beautiful.
When they ask me that how do you stay so happy, and what makes you happy, and you'll be automatically very happy.
Correct.
अगर आपको कुछ करने में बहुत जोर शोर आ रहा है and you're not happy, it will show in your face. More than that, it will show in your heart and soul. If it's
Lovely. That's so amazing. Absolutely. So, tell me one thing. Was there a moment in your journey when you were questioned about yourself or you were unsure about what you felt?
yes, there were a lot of moments, not one. So, since I was in hostel and since standing 7 out of home,
Okay.
then लात भी खुद को ही पड़ता था और संभलते खुद ही थे.
Absolutely, that's true.
You never had your that something like this happened.
No.
How do I solve it? Nothing. And we were only allowed to talk to them and once a month. So you can imagine that any problems you have, because there's no one to. I mean, of course, the teacher there to help you out, but as so much questions, and that you have to solve on your own. You have to. It's like खुद ही धक्का खाओ, खुद ही सीखो. So there are a lot of times where I was questioned. Yeah, where I was questioned. Like for example, when I wanted to decide, like I wanted to do study in symbiosis, and I'm a child after 30, well, child in after 30 years. There were a lot of boys born, so everyone was very possessive in my family. They didn't wanted me to go for my college outside home. They wanted me to city ke andar. But I was like, after studying in hostel and all, I was like, मेरे को वापस city में नहीं पढ़ना था. I always see what's best in me. I wanted to push myself, push my limit. So this was a big question that रोज meeting बैठता था कि मुझे like my दादाजी had two brothers. He is no more there. one is there. So they decide उसको भेजना है कि नहीं भेजना है. And I used to think कि पूरा जिंदगी तो अकेले रही हो, like till my now I have to go for my college. It's like no, you know,
नहीं जा
you
सकते.
think about it. नहीं जा सकते. Parents came and they came in the picture and they were like, you know, just elope. Just and that was when I got into Symbiosis College. I mean, it was a new world because this was not hostel. This is, I started having wings, started flying, you know, I started learning how to fly.
Wow.
So, yeah, and I should be given that moment when, you know, let that child explore uske, that's important. आप अगर उसको impose करते रहोगे, ये करो, वो करो, ये child के अंदर क्या है वो कभी समझ ही नहीं पाएगा, वो कभी और ही नहीं कर पाएगा. So don't pressure kids also. It's like if they don't like a class, which I made them join, I ask 3 classes आप जाओ, अगर आपको नहीं अच्छा लगा, it's okay, leave it. Even when it comes to subjects, like for example, my son was giving his boards this year, so he was not good in Hindi. So I was like, it's okay, take it easy, don't take it easy, like, because Hindi is a subject जिसमें you have to understand कुछ भी. It's all की मात्रा and everything. So I never push them for any. If you don't feel it's nice for you, if you're not comfortable, it's okay, we can switch.
Yeah,
Pressure.
correct, and that's the best.
Like for Balaji Telefilms, I come from a Marwadi family. When I got through Balaji Telefilms in this first, I was in Kasauti Zindagi Ki.
Wow.
And then I was coming in, yeah, it was a very famous serial that time during our generation. Ab to mere bacche Kasauti Zindagi koi bhi. So that was a big question that, you know, I'm 22, 23 years back. You know, Marwadi family say going into serials, they were like, shadi kaun karega? You know, if you get into serial, the stream will change. People will, you know, a lot of people are talking about it that, you know, she's got into serial. It was a big that time. Getting into serials, but there was again a lot. They were crazy at the time itself. That, you know, now they're getting into serials, coming into Kasauti. So I all, you know, आपको जो अच्छा लगे आप वो करो. Care damn about the world. वो बात करेंगे. आपको जो करना है आप करो. And when people are coming and commenting you, see from your fans and followers, they're coming in. Like now when I go for a party or I do something, and people like, Are, you know, my son is a big follower of yours. My daughter loves. I feel so good. That means you're doing something right.
Correct.
And especially age with their friends, when their friends come and tell me, my father's friends come and tell me that you lag rahe the, aap bahut acha kar rahe ho, that means you are killing it. Do what you're doing.
Correct. Absolutely. So true. So what did that phase teach you about yourself as a woman? So when you were given that chance,
that phase taught me that when you are flying high in life, rather maximum people will pull you down, and there'll be few who will pull you. Stick with them. The pillars, they are your pillars throughout your life. Stick to them, pull you up always. And जो लोग आपको pull down करे, just leave them in your life. Like
that is true. Absolutely.
And I've been doing. That's my motto in life. There are times when my daughter comes and, Mama, you know, this friend told something like this about me, and, you know, what do I do? I'm feeling very bad about it. I said, it's okay. You know, just एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकाल लो. And this is how you come to know who are your true friends. Always tell both my kids that, you know, maybe in life आपको इतनी जल्दी नहीं पता चलेगी कि आपके true friends कौन है. 2 or 3 can be your true friends throughout your life. So and all you can see yourself soaring in life. So
Yeah.
always behind the money. जब मेरे बारे में बात होती थी, people was like, अरे तुमने देखा उसने क्या पहना था, अरे तुमने देखा वो क्या, like बॉस मैं अगर साड़ी पहनूं तो भी मेरे बारे में बात होता है, मैं
हाँ,
शॉर्ट
नहीं
डैम इट कुछ भी पहनो और बात करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
correct.
रत्ती भर फर्क.
That is true because always like we say all fingers are not same. कोई ना कोई तो कुछ ना कुछ खोज ही लेगा आपके लिए कि हाँ ये लंबा क्यों है, ये छोटा क्यों है, तुमने ये क्यों किया है, ये करोगे तो वो क्यों नहीं किया, वो करोगे तो अच्छा ये क्यों नहीं किया था. अरे भाई you cannot make
The
people happy.
motto exactly happy, and जिस दिन आप ये actually accept कर लोगे तो you have to live for yourself, most happiest person in your life.
Correct. I agree.
अपने लिए जियो, दुनिया के लिए मत जियो.
Very true. I so agree with that, Nandita. That so reflects you. That is so true. So tell me one thing. How did motherhood actually change your relationship with success? Or did it not change?
I feel after motherhood I've become more why I'll tell you is before married, when I was in Balaji or I was an RJ in Radio Mill, that time मेरे ऊपर इतना responsibility था ही नहीं. It was just me, sole person, the way I want to. Then when I had babies, it like TV or in any social thingy, I was teaching in a school, because I wanted to give more time. So I had Vivan, I had more.
Wow.
So as a mom and at the age of 24, so I was a kid. Rather, मैं सोचती हूँ मैं आज भी kid ही हूँ. I don't want to grow up in life, but as a like I always believe that enjoy every moment in life. चाहे कोई भी moment हो, you should know how to dance in the storm also.
Correct.
So
That's
yeah. So that my husband was 26 and I had my first baby, and so many challenges that you know, like how to be awake at figure, how to maintain everything. So I completely quit everything that time. No, I only concentrated on my child. So till he was, I think 4 or 5 years thing, because I always to feel अरे जब होना होगा हो जाएगा, कोई problem नहीं है जो. And then after I had my both, that is 28, I had my daughter. So once I had my both kids, then I started influencing and I started like whatever, shoot and everything. So I feel after that it became more successful. Challenges in life, I was soaring more high. Why? Because people मेरा दिमाग इसका क्लास हैंडल करना है, मुझे इसका स्कूल हैंडल करना है, मुझे घर हैंडल करना है, मुझे सर्वेंट्स हैंडल करने हैं, मुझे ड्राइव अपना वर्क भी हैंडल करना है. So there were so many things, so my brain was working more. So this is how I feel that, you know, after becoming a mother, I started with God's grace. There were more new ideas. Touchwood, in these 5 years, the bar in the city.
Touchwood, by God's grace. Lovely. So it sounds like motherhood actually did not slow you down. It redefined you because you took each step as the way it came, rather than feeling like a lot of parents. Because I speak to parents day in and day out. I realize that they're happy about the fact they're parents, but somewhere deep down they have made so many sacrifices from within that they don't realize the time when they should be happy and they should be not. So I think it's very important to take out time for yourself so that you can also enjoy your own motherhood.
And plus one more thing I would want to add is, of course, there are a lot of challenges which you face with your husband, with your mainly, with mainly yourself, because we maximum females are married and suddenly after babies they bloat and increase a lot of weight, and that is the time when they. So again, one more message I want to give the mothers: please feel beautiful in what. If you have stretch marks, it's a blessing. Just flaunt it. if you become fat, flaunt that also, because बहुत जनों को ये भी नहीं मिलता blessing to become a mother also, because of all food habits and the eating habits. A lot of my friends are also facing these challenges. So you are, whichever figure you are, whichever mode you are, just feel you are. The moment you start thinking that yes, I am beautiful no matter where you are forever.
Absolutely.
Because of course आएंगे, कोई बोलेगा आप मोटे हो, कोई बोलेगा पतले, कोई बोलेगा आप कभी perfect हो ही नहीं सकते हो.
Correct. It's
And there will be people pointing. So care a damn. Again, live for yourself. Think you are pretty no matter what I bolo. You are pretty from here. You are pretty from here. You'll be happy.
very true. As we have to start accepting our own flaws, because nobody is flawless, and our flaws makes us real. Otherwise, वही AI नहीं बन जाओगे.
Exactly. Like robotics.
हाँ.
ऐसे दिखना है, ऐसे करना है,
Correct.
ये
हाँ.
होना चाहिए.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Again, I would like to say that you should know how to dance in the storm. It's not a bed of roses.
Right.
It's never a bed of roses. There will be ups and downs, but you should know how to dance in the storm. You should know how to see anything. Just handle it patiently. That's it, and you can see solving in a very
wow. So tell me one thing. What is that one reality about fame or success people never see?
The fame, the 1 minute reel or the sees. I give my 4 hours, 6 hours just to make that one
perfect.
Like that hard work, nobody comes to know until that. So people who have seen me, they have seen the amount of hard 1 minute reel. Rather, even when we go for that 3 hours movie, देख लेते हैं, हम क्रिप कर लेते हैं, अच्छा है तो अच्छा, नहीं है अच्छा तो इसमें ये गंदा था, ये था, वो था. But as just go and just close your eyes and just think how much making that movie, making that reel, appreciate it. I wouldn't say कि सब कुछ बहुत आता है, any reel, but good things को appreciate करो. If someone has done something, just appreciate that. Because trust me, a lot of hard work goes in this social a lot. जो दिखता ही नहीं है. Plus your skin goes for a toss. Every day it's like you start looking old. You start having wrinkles jaldi. I had increased 5 kgs. I'm talking about few months back. Because पूरा दिन क्या होता था, करो exercise का time नहीं मिलता था, proper diet का time नहीं मिलता था. So there's a lot. Men don't have that metabolism that उनका body इतना ज़्यादा fluctuate करता है. But feel issue that your body fluctuates a lot. Your skin fluctuates a lot. Of that, handling things, handling your house, handling your work.
Correct.
Everything is perfect. नहीं होता है. There are a lot of things behind.
Correct.
So बहुत बार क्या होता है, मैं behind the scenes. Lot of times I put the BTS so that people should know कि आप पीछे कितना hard work गया है.
Correct. It is not tops. It's not.
It's not. I have shot with fire. Like real fire. Okay, आपके कपड़े में fire लगता है. There are scenes when, so suppose a burning scene that of getting burned, put a real fire in your pallu or whatever kapda. So it's not easy to fall. The scene is that you're running and you're falling. चोट लगती है, एक्चुअल में चोट लगती है. नहीं लगती है जितना दिखाते, but चोट लगे. So anything you do, if anyone's life has the story of their hard work, the story of their
Very, very true. Very true. So even the beautiful rose, as soon as you were saying about the hardship, I could only
And
think of the rose example. Even the rose has thorns because the rose knows that whoever does not take care of me, as soon as you pluck me, you will have that thorn. So anything new or anything
right,
फेक बाहर से देखने में तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but when you get inside, then you realize the amount of thorns is there, amount of hard work it goes by, how amount of retakes, amount of things that person does. It is actually हम लोग मूवी में जाते हैं, हम we become so opinionated about things. बकवास थी, बट बेचारे ना महीने लगाए हैं उसको करने में, मतलब दे अभी
मैंने
हाँ
साल
एक एक
एक
साल,
साल
वही मैं कह 6 months
तो
to
जब
1
कोई
year
आके बोलता है ना
सही है। हाँ
that you know what, ये ऐसे बोल रही थी, I said करके दिखाओ,
हाँ
बात कर,
हाँ
करके दिखाओ,
हाँ
use at least do 1% of what I am doing,
करेक्ट
and then comment. If you don't like my, if there's something which is not right, then comment. तो करो, then बात करो या
हाँ
मत करो.
हाँ very very true, very true, very true. Also tell me what has motherhood taught you that success never
Success never.
could मतलब what has motherhood would have taught you a lot of things, and success would have taught you some things. So what is that which motherhood taught you but success did not?
Motherhood taught me how actually moves around out your body. I mean, this can never teach anyone. Anyone, like literally after having been, heart actually is moving outside my body. जब मैं इन दोनों को देखती हूँ, चाहे मैं लाइफ में, the feeling cannot change anything.
Right.
Anything. Something very very important, and I'm sure every mother feels this, that but ये हार्ट वापस अंदर नहीं जाता है, वो evolve करता रहता है once you have.
Right, right. Very, very true. Very, very true. Because now we put them before us. It is something like that. You think about them first, and then you see, okay, I am behind them because I know I have to protect them. Protect them as like but बच्चों के लिए we become the sole survivors. कि we are the ones who have to take care. So yeah, absolutely. That's so
Right.
beautiful. So, tell me one thing. So, how do you raise confident children in the world full of comparison and social media?
I feel that the first thing you should teach how to become a good king. Like I always tell both my kids, I life में whatever you want to, whatever your career will be, but teach them how to become good human. Self will inculcate a lot of confidence in them.
Yeah.
Because if you're not a good human being, no matter what, you can. I completely believe in that. So we teach them sensitivity, which is very important. If you're not sensitive, again in life. So sensitivity, respect, and being on time. You know, just whatever your schedule is, you should always be absolutely on time. That's
very good. Very true. Very true.
Something I've always taught them also.
So tell me, what do parents overcomplicate today then?
Pressure.
Comparison.
Don't. I still remember when I was in school to compare me with my cousins. वो दिमाग में इतना गंदा impression forever in your mind art that मुझे क्यों compare किया with my cousins? Like should make the child feel that you are the best in your own way.
Yeah.
Don't compare the child. आप उनका बचपना छीन लेते हो. Every child, let them grow. They all kids are beautiful.
Very true. That is true.
They are beautiful and they grow in their own way. Don't pressurize. And again, teach them how to value money. में अगर आप मनी का वैल्यू सिखाना नहीं करोगे तो the child will know to do anything in life,
Yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
value your parents, lot of like value everything. अगर आपके पास इतना है तो भी उनको खुश रहना चाहिए, आप खुश रहना चाहिए.
Yeah.
They should never feel, oh हमारे पास इतना क्यों है, उसके पास तो इतना है. So never compare with their friends. Like my daughter always comes and tells me that, like not now anymore, in the school RPGS, she's in RPGS now. So she used to come and say, Mama, all my friends have phone. I also want a phone. Initially, a lot of difficulties that, I don't want to give you a phone, but I forgot to tell her the reasons why I don't want. So,
Yeah.
there were a lot of experiments we did. I spoke a lot of things with her that, वो आपको सोचने का मौका ही नहीं देगा. वो आपको, आप वही सोचोगे जो आपको फोन दिखा. Keep your kids away from electronics as much as possible.
Absolutely.
Teach them how that's all, and that is something which will make kids very confident.
Absolutely. That is so true because my daughter is in 10th. She does not have a phone. And I make sure I don't
Even
give her-
Vivan is also, she also must be giving boards.
Yeah, she will give both. She just turned in 10th.
Okay.
So she's
So
just
my son
finished her grade 9.
So giving boards.
Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. So I was like, "Hey, Ashmika, never mind. People don't have phone. It's okay." So same in her school. Each and every child has a phone. So there's not a single child who does not have a phone, at least in 10th grade. So she's like, Mama, everybody has it. It's so embarrassing. So I've given a phone watch because we need to connect when she's.
So I took a phone. What you want to do? You want to get connected. You want to call your friends. Do from this, but I don't want to give. Would like to all the parents is spend quality time with your kids. I wouldn't say be on. वो मत करिए, उसमें वो आपकी वैल्यू रहेगी नहीं कभी. If you're on top of the kids 24/7, they will never love you and they are never going to listen to you as much as just the quality time needed.
Right.
And give them their space.
Absolutely.
That's all.
Absolutely. So true. So tell me, Nandita, you might be facing this. Have you ever experienced mom guilt?
Times. Loads of times. I go out 50 days for movie shoots. I was there in Indore. And जैसे कि ठीक है, I'm a very strong mom. ये 7वें 8वें दिन तक मेरा, oh, what am I doing? I'm missing my kids. I'm spoiling their childhood. Then, how I realized that no, it's okay. You should not have the co-star called Bindraji. Bindraji Singh and Deepika Padukone in that movie Ras Leela or something.
Acha, okay, Ras Leela.
So Bindraji was my co-star and I was crying. I was feeling very guilty that, sitting here, for what am I doing and blah, blah. She told me one thing, she said, Nandita, you know what? I was young when she had babies. She said, I left a lot of roles. I had roles with big stars. I did not do that because I had this guilt. नहीं मेरे बच्चे भी छोटे हो जाए, मैं करूंगी, अभी वो छोटे हैं. So she said, I left all of those just for guilt, this mom guilt. She said, now when they are grown up, time for me. And Ani Chachi, she said, she's the one who taught me, it's okay, live for yourself, grab that opportunity, ये वापस नहीं आने वाला. That, give your career, your is more importance, and then learn the same thing. Okay, Mama has taught us. Mama never gave up on her career.
You're actually modeling them. They would realize that they have seen their own parents doing that. They will prioritize themselves. That's so important. That they have seen, yes, my mama also struggled. My mama also still worked hard. She made sure that she balanced. So you're giving them an asset which they will never forget.
Right. And then when you give them that quality, they respect you. They see you working, they see you handling things, and then when you're giving, even if it is like 10 minutes in the whole day, there are times जब मेरे को time नहीं मिलता उनके साथ बैठने का, but I make sure मैं बैठ रही हूँ, मैं बकवास नहीं कर रही हूँ, अरे पढ़ाई क्या की, ये क्या की, नहीं, just talk casually too. Yeah, because who wants to talk about पढ़ाई, पूरा दिन पढ़ाई के बाद
वैसे ही
पढ़ाकू person, and I'm sure like a lot of kids don't want to talk about पढ़ाई, and there are a lot of kids who are bookworm. I mean, that's, I don't पढ़ाई at all. I want to talk anything under the sun, but so
absolutely, because that becomes your time with kids, the connection time. If there you add
बैठना नहीं चाहेंगे,
हाँ, correct,
वो आपके साथ चाहेंगे, if they have forward to come and talk to you. What is that one point that you share? Like I still girlfriend, मेरे को 6 महीने तक पता ही नहीं था उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है. My husband knew that he had a girlfriend. So bad, like how did this happen that I'm not the first person to know about his girlfriend and about his girlfriend? So then I made sure that I started sitting with him and talking to him and give this to her, but I used to give this to my boyfriend, I used to go here, I used to do that,
right.
So with him. उनके एज के हिसाब से उनसे बात करो, उनके साथ फ्रेंड्स बनो. You have to become to them. Like with Vanisha, I can't talk about boyfriends and all. Yes, I can talk about crushes. Because she's just joined. So there are crushes. So the more you open up with the child, the more friendly you are, back to you from their side.
Correct. Absolutely. That is so true.
That's the mantra.
That is.
नहीं छुपाएंगे. Otherwise, इस generation में इतना छुपाते हैं बच्चे. And they are scared to like tell the kids it's okay. डांट पड़ेगा तो पड़ जाएगा. But you should come and they should be happy to come and share, ताकि future में अगर उनसे कुछ बड़ी scared to come and tell you. They should always know that parents are there behind you as a pillar.
Yeah,
no
they see your reactions. Basis your reaction, they change themselves. If they see that mom is panicking, they will immediately flip the whole thing. If they see the mom is calm, they will come back to you and say that, oh, mom is chill, don't worry. So they read your reactions. How you're reacting, that is the way they will going to respond next time.
Right. Each one of you should, that's also very important. Otherwise, ज़्यादा भी अगर liberate हो जाओगे, so granted. So one person, if I know that my husband is acting strict for this student, if sometimes I am strict, he is lenient.
Absolutely.
That's how.
Right. वो good cop, bad cop तो works every time.
Every time it works. So sometimes he's not giving the permission. I said, okay, I'll give the permission. Let me be in the good books.
Because then you have to balance between that also, that you cannot be always a bad cop and the papa is a good cop. तब तो मम्मा का कभी अच्छा time ही नहीं है. So you have to give
अच्छा time. I a lot of my friends come and tell that my kids always say mama is very strict. Mama baba लगता है कोई terror आ गया है. I said, this is the biggest mistake you're doing. It shouldn't be a terror. हमारा generation अलग था. Like with God's grace, the parents so liberal and they were so friendly कि हम dining table में बैठ रहे हैं तो अच्छा ये दिया. It used to be like that conversation. And we used to यही अगर मेरे parents strict होता किसने दिया क्यों भी शायद हम share ही नहीं कर. And that is your first step. Of step को अगर वो पहले दे रहे हैं और काट दे रहे तो मैं ऊपर कैसे जाऊंगी, मैं जा ही नहीं पाऊंगी.
Correct. Absolutely. नहीं, हमारे साथ भी यही होता था. Like my mom was the most chillest mom kind of a thing. But there was my friend whose parents were very particular about not having a boyfriend, and she certainly had 2 of them. Because तुमने जितना रोक लगाया है,
जो ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम में फंसते
करते हो, because then you realize अरे ये तो मतलब मम्मा पापा अलाउ नहीं कर रहे. अब जो चीज मम्मा पापा अलाउ नहीं कर रहे वो तो करने का ज्यादा मन करता है.
तो और करना है.
रिमेम्बर द पिंक एलिफेंट. नहीं नहीं सोचो, पिंक एलिफेंट के बारे में नहीं सोचना, तो हम जरूर सोचेंगे. So that is so true, because that happens with all of us. I mean, we are born.
Right.
You have to keep that balance so that they don't think about you like a pink elephant कि हाँ मम्मी पापा के बारे में नहीं बोलना.
नहीं सोचना. Agreed.
So years from now, what do you hope your children remember about you?
The times I've spent with them.
Okay.
That's it. I've spent with them. That's all I want them to remember. I want them to remember मैंने कितने expensive holidays में लेकर गई. नहीं. कितने expensive या क्या खर्चा. No. What I want them to value is time I spent with you. Those memories. Maybe like going for a swim, for camping. Camping में हमने क्या stories किया, कुछ adventure किया कि नहीं किया. मुझे याद करे. Whatever.
Oh, that is so sweet. As a mother, I can believe that at least और कुछ नहीं, तो remember those little sweet moments. It's not about big moments, I think.
Yeah.
It's always these little things.
Yeah, because this is what I learned from my parents. Like my Dadaji, he ever got me even a chocolate. तो वो भी याद नहीं है. But I remember him taking cycling, skating, swimming सिखाना. I learned swimming in the उस समय कोई घर. I am from a small town, a place called Cuttack. And so जब मैं hostel से मुझे swimming सिखाया जाता था. Swimming मेरे को दादाजी used to teach me in the river. All those things. We used to go to Puri. So Puri में जब हम beach पे जाते थे, he used to teach us कैसे पैर stand when the waves are coming. Then then another thing he taught me, both Dadi, that the waves with the problems in life. That waves आएंगे लाइफ में, आएंगी और जाएंगी, बट आपका पैर मजबूत रहना. बालू धंसता है जब आप बीच पे रहते हो. and the waves go your side the sand. Take out your feet. Shift your feet. Problems are coming. आप उसी प्रॉब्लम को एक ही तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहे हो नहीं. think the other सॉल्व कर सकती हो. तो shift your gear. Correct. Always taught us. So I think give that quality time. That's more important.
Oh, that's so true. So tell me about your life motto when you say that live every day as if there is no tomorrow. I want to understand the wisdom behind that.
It's a big thing if you think. Why I say live every moment as if there's no, because मैंने देखा कल क्या होने वाला है. मैं आज पैसे बचा क्योंकि मुझे एक बड़ा हॉलिडे लेना है, या मुझे कल को बुढ़ापा बहुत अच्छे से खाना नहीं खा रही हूँ. Like I'm not enjoying my food properly. I want to go to that restaurant and eat. Maybe I'll eat next week के लिए मैं save कर रही हूँ. No. Go today. You have इतना सा money, but you have to spend it. Go do that. Because you don't know. You want to meet someone. Just do it today. You want to explore things.
Do it.
Just do it. You never know कल क्या होगा. आप ही अफसोस में रह जाओगे. Shit क्यों नहीं किया? अब हो गया मेरे साथ. So I have faced the experience. A lot of my close ones in the hospital. I've lost my close ones. My Dadaji, as I told you, I was very close to him. Then I always felt, I wish I could have spent with him. मैंने अपने बच्चों को इतने टाइम देने में लग गई कि we take our parents for granted. We don't realize that they are also aging. So आपको उनको भी टाइम देना है. With your priority, please don't forget to give priority to your elders. They need you the most. And that is the karma which this is the karma which is the reason why I have grown in life. That's what I feel. The karma,
that's
nice. If you you'll be
Hmm.
always at the right place. So definitely,
Absolutely. That is so
this
true. So because those little moments, those little times, when you realize by yourself कि हाँ मेरे मम्मी पापा भी बूढ़े हो रहे हैं and I have to give time, because the same values you're passing to your own children also,
so
because they
true.
are seeing you. If you are particular about your own parents, you are spending time. When you grow old, they are going to come back to you because they've seen that. That is their that's
But
it.
that again, I would say don't expect.
Uh,
आपको नहीं पता, आप शिक्षा दे दो, आप अपना वैल्यूज उनको दे दो, उसके बाद
hmm.
leave it.
Yeah, it's about
Don't
value.
expect.
It's not about expectation. It's
Don't
about
expect.
what
Don't
are you
expect the
asking.
moon scene.
Hmm. Hmm.
तो मैंने तो
Absolutely.
यही सोच के रखा है भाई, मैंने अपना कर लिया, उसके बाद ये नहीं रखे. आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सपेक्ट.
Correct.
या
हाँ.
आप अपने हेल्थ का खुद रखो.
Hmm.
अगर किए तो वो उनका कर्मा. योर कर्मा शुड बी राइट.
Correct. Very, very true. Very true. So I have
नहीं
some.
चलेगा कि कब दे आर लर्निंग द थिंग्स, व्हेन यू नॉट नो, वो कब ऑब्जर्व करते हैं,
Hmm.
वो कब सीख लेते हैं, पता ही नहीं चलेगा.
Correct, correct. So I was just saying कि we were seeing a movie Dangal yesterday. So वो movie में last में वो the way the father hugs the daughter and the father and the daughter realize how precious Papa's learning was. Although in the middle she just got carried away here and there. All those are what? All those are value system. What if she did not come back? She would have done perfect in life and everything. But every teaching, what we teach our children as a child, they take it forward. हम कुछ expect नहीं कर रहे, but they are seeing everything. हम वही दूसरे तरफ
Right.
की हाय हाय पापा का फोन आया है. Kids are seeing us.
Right.
यार क्या मम्मी हो आई एम बिजी इन अ मीटिंग मम्मी ने कॉल किया. तो दे आर सीइंग एवरीथिंग, दे आर टेकिंग दैट. और हमारा ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे, उल्टा बड़े होके ये सुनाएंगे कि मम्मी आप भी तो ऐसे रिएक्ट करती थी जो आप हमें बोल रहे हो.
Exactly. Same thing. Now, if you are not respecting your elders, and if they don't respect you, they'll say the same. आप हमसे क्यों expect ये चीज? आप हमसे कैसे expect कर सकते हो? I've never seen you doing something like this. Me or
Absolutely. So actually, kids don't understand what we say. They actually learn from what we show them. Because they see more often and that is what they take more often than what we just speak. हाँ बच्चा बड़ों के अंदर वो करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, and we ourselves are not doing it. They are not going to do it, do what may.
hey, this is what happens. Just passing the ज्ञान जो हमें अपने अल्लाह से मिला, हम वो पास कर दे रहे हैं. Why? Rather, why don't you learn with experiments? Every child is not same.
Same. True, very true.
Like एक डायलॉग बट मुझे मारने में बहुत मजा आता है, इस माँ बनोगे तब. Which I completely believe it. I completely believe it. You are not a parent, you will not understand how it feels when you have kids and what you go through. Like for example, this back I was just screaming at my daughter. For some reason she was doing. I felt so guilty. I came back and I was crying. That why did I scream? I could have handled it in some other way. A better way. Maybe she'll understand this when she grows up in life. Maybe now, but when she becomes a realize
Mama was right, and it is normal to scream like this. Because the same thing is happening with me. When I see my children and the way I react, I realize my mom used to exactly do the same way. So I have become my mom's replica. The thing which used to irritate me, that why is mama doing it, I am doing it the same way. Then I realized I used to scream that, but now I'm exactly same like my mom. so that is how we are passing through generations.
Right.
Obviously, we learn from things and we evolve ourselves, but then we always take it forward. We always see what we are, how our parents are doing. So awesome. So I have a few questions on your rapid fire. You have to be really quick. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Although some of them, by talking to you, I've realized almost of the answers, but I'll still ask. Strict mom or a fun
With your fun mom.
morning rush or bedtime chaos?
A bedtime chaos. No morning. Not at all.
Wow, okay. One parenting rule kids break daily.
One parenting rule kids break daily. Uh, Saying, Mama, I love you. Why they have this thing? They are grown up and literally like, एक बार बोल दो I love you. अब फिर मन से नहीं दो. Why? I think ये मेरा हक है. मुझे दिन में 100 बार बोलो I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. I love you.
Something children have taught you.
Never grow up.
Oh, that is
Never grow up.
That's true.
It's a trap. Never grow up in life.
Wow. One favorite food which just brings you calm.
Favorite food which brings me calm. Foodie, but which brings me calm. I think a lot of food is there. Which brings love desserts. Desserts bring me calm.
Wow.
I just love it.
All right. And now the last question. The favorite thing about you.
Favorite thing about me. My smile.
That is true. That is true. Your attitude also, I think.
This is my biggest.
Nice. I love that. I love that. So whenever when I saw you for the first time, I mean, we saw each other as a session for the first time today. So it was an instant connect because you came across like a, oh, cool kind of a person. Not to worry, things are going fine. We'll handle it. It's okay.
Yes, exactly. And I told you कि मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Never take pressure in life. हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
सब हो जाएगा.
नहीं भी होगा तो भी it's okay. I mean, nobody's going to do it.
Yeah. Sorry, I was going to take a beating.
No,
Yes.
no problem. It's perfectly all right. All right. So thank you so much. Today, actually, we learned a lot, we laughed a lot, we enjoyed a lot. But before we end, what is that one wisdom you want to share it with all the parents?
All the parents, let the child grow at its own pace. Don't press. The best gift from God. I don't think so. उससे अच्छा gift God आपको दे. Best gift that you have become a parent. So don't do the same things what others. Don't compete. Let them grow. Don't pressurize.
Yeah. Wow, that's so lovely. That's so true. So actually, today's session reminded us that behind every successful woman is not perfection; it's evolution. Like we have seen Nandita's journey when she was a mother, when she became a mother, then she chose to choose motherhood and she relaxed, but then again she came out with a bang. So that is what we do as parents. Rather than just giving up on your dreams and not doing anything, I think parenting is not about choosing between dreams and children. It's about growing alongside them. Thank you so much,
Right.
Nandita, for reminding us that real success is not the spotlight, but the love we return home to. Because the way you said, I come back home, I hug them, I want to talk to them, that whatever I missed, I'll just regain it back. My work is important, and so am I.
Right.
But my connection with my
Right. One more thing I would like to share is make them of your journey. उनको समझ में शायद ना आए कि आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या, but share with them. If you share with them, I had a bad day, I had a good day, this is something nice I did, this is something bad I did, I shouldn't have done it in my past. Share with them and सबको साथ लेके हमेशा चलो आप.
Right.
So not like people in Calcutta do tell me that you are the only blogger seen who will family. We have never seen bloggers making reels with in-laws and mother-in-law, because I am a person like that. मेरे को सबको साथ लेके चलना अच्छा
हाँ,
लगता है. यहाँ तक कि my दादी are in my reels.
Huh. That's nice because that makes you feel what you are. You want
Right.
you want to be known like a person who has a family, not just for
And
yourself.
plus, and spread the happiness if you have. अगर आप 2 जन एक दिन में even 1 person को भी smile कराओ एक दिन में, you will feel content from here.
Correct. So true. So true.
Karma works wonders.
I love your attitude towards life. It's beautiful, and it was a lovely session with you. Absolutely heart to heart. Perfect. I loved it. It was very, very sweet. It was amazing. Thank you so much, Nandita. We had such a lovely time, and thank you for being here.
Same.
For all those who are hearing, thank you for joining in. It was really, really sweet of all of you to join in the afternoon. Enjoy your weekends, have fun, and see you next Wednesday.
Spend time with your kids, the quality.
Yes. Spend time with your kids. Absolutely. Chalo. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.